Good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome to my junkyard. We got the Urban Bourbon, the Bruce, the GTA, the Corvette, the F450. We got a Saturn, random Saturn in an OBS build. So today, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, this video is about this Saturn. I won't go into great detail right now, but we're gonna head down to Danny's because Danny's gonna help us with this project, and it's gonna be a quick one, and hopefully we can get it all knocked out today. Should be an easy one, even though it's not really an easy one. So let's get in the truck and let's get out of here. Definitely tell that school is back in session. Well, we're almost to Danny's. 9 more Amish fields and we're there. Alrighty, well, there's your guesses as to what we are doing with the Saturn. We have made it down here to Danny's. Definitely check him out. This thing was not this way when it got here. You're gonna want to check out what he did to it, but definitely check out slow_restoration. Danny's down here killing it. Just hard-working feller, getting things done. So I'm gonna go ahead and set a time lapse up here, and we're gonna get this engine out, right?
Let me show you how to do the time lapse.
No, I figured it out. Now all the fun part. Now you actually got to switch everything over from this onto the new engine and get it installed. Now you want to know the crazy part about this was actually a Jasper replaced engine already. That is freaking crazy, but it is what it is. We got it out. Thanks to me. Danny just hung out, and you'll see in the video, he's on his phone most of the time. But look, built in the USA, but then says Mexico.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
USA, Mexico. USA, Mexico. Aye, aye, aye. Alrighty guys, well I am actually running out of time here because I got to get the kids off the bus and everything, but we have the new engine installed, and I really got to go. Like a half hour ago, Danny. Like,
we have pizza sitting there and didn't even
yeah, we got pizza sitting over there on the car. We didn't even get to eat it or anything, but I mean I really do appreciate you, Danny. Definitely check out Danny Slow Restorations, and I will actually finish this up tonight while the kids are at softball, probably in the parking lot. Unbelievable. All right, let's get on the trailer. Actually, the truth is Danny and I are fighting and I'm out of here. I quit.
Get out.
Well, I need to take the car.
Pay your bill.
I already did. I paid as soon as I got here.
What's it?
All right, guys, we are all loaded up and I'm supposed to be there at 3:30. That's terrible. 19 minutes the kids are gonna have to wait. I'll see you soon, kids. I'm sorry, I love you. Alrighty, and we made it 3:48 and got 12.1 miles to the gallon. And I believe it is like 118 miles from my house. So let's go get the girls and yeah, we gotta end up putting this thing back together in the driveway here. So plug and chug. Alrighty, guys, well, we got dinner and everything. The kids are actually in there doing their thing, but we got it back here to the house. I'm gonna actually start working on it. I kind of have put this hose on just now. I connected this hose but didn't bring the clamp down, but we're gonna go ahead and start buttoning everything up, and then hopefully we can get this thing fired up tonight. So stand by. I'm gonna set a little time lapse, and we're gonna see if we can't get this thing fired up. So like basically at Danny's place, what we did was he ended up picking up this engine from a place that he deals with on a regular basis. So I trust it 100%. I know it's going to be a good engine. I believe Danny actually even heard it running. So like I said, I trust this engine 100%. I think it only had 116,000 miles on it. This truck here does have 195 or 205 somewhere in there, but we should be good to go. I mean, I don't foresee it having any issues. Once we get it in and, you know, everything, we'll get it a little cleaned up and get it looking presentable. But I'm going to keep plugging and chugging, and we'll go from there. I'll see you guys in probably about an hour is what I got to do. I am going to have to jack it up a little bit because there's a couple wires underneath I got to get to. But other than that, we try to do what we could do down at Danny's, and I gratefully appreciate Danny. So definitely check him out. Slow_restoration. Huge help today by locating the engine, picking it up for me, and having it there, and obviously opening up his shop for me to, you know, it was easier to swap it there than in the gravel that you know here. So the 4 hours, we have about 4.5 hours into this, so it's not much time at all, but we definitely had to drill out 2 studs that were broke. Alrighty, sorry if it isn't the best sound quality or anything like that, but it's actually really humid out here, and there's just moisture on everything. But we got everything just about going back together. I just got to hook up the air box here, get the battery in the battery tray. There's a cover for here, and get down there and get some coolant in it. But we're just gonna do a quick fire up here in a couple minutes, just to make sure everything is good to go, and then I'm gonna go in, get some sleep, and then we'll come back out in the morning and finish it up. But just some of the things I want to go over, guys. Like, if you want it, you got to get out and work for it. I'm out here, it's, you know, 10 o'clock at night, and obviously you can tell the C5's right here, the Bruce's over there. I'm not sure if you can see the Bruce, but we got the Bruce. You know, we're at home, we're still plugging and chugging, and you know, if you want it, work for it, guys. All right, let me get this all done and get our first fire up, and then we'll come back in the morning and button everything up and go over everything. Alrighty, guys, well, the moment of truth to see if this bad girl starts with her new donor heart. And we're off. Not the first time, maybe the second time's a charm. And we're off. All right, take 2. Let's try this again. I think I had one of the grounds in the wrong location. That's one of the downsides of somebody else helping you take something apart. But I think we're good. Prime it a time or 2. All right, take 3. Alrighty, new day. We're starting fresh. Sometimes you just gotta get in and try it right out of the beginning. And still nothing. That is okay, guys. We didn't fail. We just gotta figure things out. Not a big deal. It's the only downside about 2 people working on something and not finishing. But like I said, not a big deal. We'll get it straightened out. Let me just say, you have 2 days to get entered to win a brand new one of these. Not this one, but you will get a brand new 125 Jeep go-kart delivered to your house if you jump on knivesdeal.com. The information will be up on the screen. Use promo code SendItSteve. It will get you 10% off. And for 2, it will get you entered to win this Jeep. So you're going to want to do that. You have 2 days left. Literally, today is August 30th. Tomorrow is at midnight is the end of the giveaway. So head on over right now, knivesdeal.com, 10% off. Use promo code SendItSteve, all one word, as it appears on the screen, and it will get you entered to win one of these. Now, I'll put in a little clip real quick of me enjoying this thing, and I'm going to try to make a video tomorrow if I have time of me riding this thing around, the kids having fun with it and everything like that. But this thing's awesome, guys. You're gonna want one. It's freaking cool. I think it has like a horn, some turn signals. Let me just see here. Yeah, turn signal, other turn signal. I mean, this thing is freaking cool, guys. You're gonna want to get entered. Headlights, I mean, how can you go wrong? So head on over right now, knivesdeal.com, as it's displayed on the screen. Get yourself entered. You have 2 days left. Literally 2 days. That's it. That's all you got to win this thing. Go get your entries right now. Every dollar you spend is an entry. This car's been kicking my butt, so I basically put an engine in it. You will see this video later on down the road, but I put an engine in it and we're having some issues. So if you guys are, you know, mechanically inclined or have advice, this is what we're coming up with. So I got the engine in and everything, and it basically fires up and then shuts right off. And it's not a security issue, or else the security light would be on, but for some reason that's all we got. Now, as you guys do know by me, I will figure this thing out. It will not stump me forever, but yeah, it's sort of frustrating. So for 3 days now, today being the 3rd day, this is what I've been chasing. I got a little bit of a gremlin going on here, but I got to get this car done because I got to get it back to the customer. Well, the friend, the buddy. Alrighty, guys, so as you can tell, it fires up and then shuts right back off. Now, I've tried everything. I've tried the ICM, injector control module. I've tried, you know, resetting the security, which I know it's not a security thing, or else the security light will be flashing. I mean, I am 100% stumped. Now, as you do know, this is the 3rd day that I've been dealing with this gremlin of some sort. One thing that I'm thinking possibly, and, you know, I mean, shoot your comments down below. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right, but I'm thinking I'm gonna have to tear this fuse panel apart, and I'm assuming maybe one of these wires is loose or pulled out. I don't know. I mean, we didn't remove any of that. What we did was basically unhook the wiring harness and lay it over here to this side. Then we did everything, you know, got the engine back in. There's, you know, I've run different grounds. There's a ground right there, then there's a ground up here, there's a ground there. I've tried to run my own ground. I've tried to honestly ground out in different locations. I mean, I've literally tried everything, and I'm freaking stumped, guys. Also, you know, sometimes you got to take a break from things. Like I stated previously in the video, it's definitely frustrating, and it's something that I need to get done. I need to get it overcome, but I need you guys' help. So I don't ever make videos like this, but I'm stumped, guys. So if anybody has any ideas, it's an 05 Saturn View. If somebody has all data, or what's the other one? Not all, I can't think of it. But if anyone has any all data or something along those lines that give like pointers and help, I would really appreciate it. Slide in my DMs, send it _Steve on Instagram, and please help me out. But there you guys have it. If you like the content, which I don't know why you would, because I'm stumped, but if you like the content, please smash that like button, please subscribe. And we have some big things going on. There's a hurricane down in Florida, and I'm pretty sure that I'm heading out that direction. So I will be North Carolina by Sunday, I believe, and then Sunday morning or Sunday evening I ship out to Florida. So guys, stay tuned for that. We will be kind of, you know, videoing the hurricane that's going on, and we're also taking the F450. I got to get this all off. I got a lot to do before this hurricane hits, but I need to get this done. So if you guys can help me out, I really appreciate it. I got another day and a half until I leave. If not, I got to drop it off at the dealer and just kind of eat it, you know. Sometimes you take a loss. It is what it is, guys. But there you have it. Please smash that like button. Please subscribe. And don't forget, check out senditstevemerch.com. You can buy a shirt like this and then cut off the sleeves yourself. Your shirt will come with a sleeve. I cut my sleeves off. It's a beautiful day. Why not? All right, guys. Take care, and I will see you in the next upload. senditstevemerch.com. That's right. senditstevemerch.com. Why are you still here? Go to senditstevemerch.com. Buy yourself a shirt. Cut off the sleeves. Be American. America.